how to log in to crypto account. So if you want to log into your crypto account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for crypto, and after searching here you will have crypto.com on the first search. You can simply go to login. Now it will take you to the login page. So if you don't have an account, then you can go to sign up, which is on the upper right corner. But if you want to log in, then you have to simply enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password on the next one. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply click on forgot your password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your credentials, then simply enter your email address and then your password, and simply click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your crypto account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.